Excuse my squeaky chair. But what's going on, YouTube? It's your boy K-Dash. And before we even get into the video, go ahead and subscribe to the channel below if you're not part of the family, so you can stay up to date with the content that I produce for this channel. But this video will be tips on how to make money off of Instagram. Let's get into it. So I'm pretty new to making money on Instagram. I'm not new to Instagram, but I'm new to getting clients on Instagram, or through Instagram, I should say. If you don't have a company or a product that you're selling, this video is probably not going to be too helpful for you. However, if you do have a company or even a product that you're selling, I don't care if it's maybe you make custom bracelets or something for somebody to wear, then this video, hopefully it will be helpful to you. So I currently have a production company called Eye Opening Productions, and my Instagram is Directed by Eye. Now, I just really started taking this seriously maybe 6 months ago, a little bit more maybe. But I was missing one key thing, and that key thing was hashtags. I would put hashtags, however, it wasn't related to my photography company. For example, I will post something, put hashtag Nike kicks of the day, or whatever the case may be in regards to the picture. However, I wasn't using hashtags for people to locate me, to know where I was located and about my craft. So for example, for me that do music, or people that do music videos or photography or whatever the case, you probably want to use hashtags that have your city as well as photographer, director, or whatever the case may be. Because just think in the sense of a person that's looking for a photographer or a videographer, think about certain hashtags that they might search to find a local one, and use those hashtags when you post your material, your photos or your videos to your Instagram. Now, I can show you that I don't have a lot of followers. I think I may have like 245. However, you really have to change your mindset of worried about followers and worrying about likes. Because at the end of the day, you can have 2 likes on your picture and you can have 5 followers. If your DM stays full of people reaching out, asking you to do photo shoots and video shoots, who cares how many followers you have or how many likes you're getting on the picture? So that's the goal, really, is to make money. Like, yeah, you want people to go to your page and say, man, you have 20,000 followers and you're only following 100 people. This person may have a big following. However, that's all good and well, but if those people are not engaged with your photos or your page, then what? Now, because I can clearly tell somebody who bought followers, because you have 20,000 followers and you have 13 likes with no comments. You see what I'm saying? So that may fool some people. It will not fool everybody. So you can easily go to YouTube and just buy you some followers for $5 or $10 if that's what you want, just the look of it. I can care less about that. I want the money. That other stuff is for your ego. The likes and just to say how many followers you got, that's for your ego, because it's not paying nobody bills. You can be broke and homeless on the street tomorrow with 20,000 followers. Who cares though, right? So at the end of the day, let it be about some revenue. And that's what I'm on. Eventually, word of mouth is gonna spread. You know, shout out to the people who helped me by promoting or just saying, hey, reach out to my boy, he got his good work, look at his page. I appreciate all of y'all because it's really helpful, you know. But use hashtags, post good pictures. Great pictures, I should say. On my Instagram page, I do not post anything from my cell phone. Now, with the newer cell phones, you can still get great quality pictures. Don't get me wrong. Me personally, I just choose to use my DSLR pictures when posting on my page. Also, another helpful tip, if you're going to post videos, try to keep your video about 20 to 30 seconds for two reasons. One reason is, let's say you have a 3-minute video. Well, you just showed them 1/3 of the video by posting it on Instagram. If you show them a whole minute, it really doesn't leave much to the imagination for the person to go pull it up on YouTube to watch the full video because they watched a good portion of it on Instagram. The other thing is when you're exporting it, try to keep it under 20 megabits because that's kind of like Instagram's amount that they don't want you to exceed, or they'll start just compressing the video. My biggest pet peeve is that you may have a 4K video when you post it to Instagram, it may look like it's 720. Take accountability of where you're at with your cell phone bill or your cell phone plan at the time. What I mean by that is, you may not know, but in your contract, you may feel like you have unlimited data, right? Okay, read the fine print. It says that you have a certain amount of LTE before it switches to 3G or whatever the case may be. You do have unlimited data, just not unlimited LTE. If you do, you're probably paying extra for it. So why I'm telling you that is, if you think you're gonna post this video on 3G and get 4K quality, no, you might wanna wait till you get on Wi-Fi to post that video. But 20 to 30 seconds, and if you export it the right way, it'll pretty much give you a crispy, clear picture. It'll never look like YouTube or because it's Instagram. But these are some of the tips I would suggest to make money on Instagram. Be professional when you're replying back to people in your DMs and your messages. Even if you feel like they're just wasting your time, politely excuse the situation. Use these things. I am expecting my channel to continue to grow as far as followers. If not, as long as they continue to book me for gigs, I'm completely fine with that if I only have 245 followers forever. But if any of this was helpful, go ahead and subscribe to the channel below, like, comment. Check out my Instagrams. Directed by I is my production company Instagram. I also have a personal Instagram. I rarely use this one. The Real KOZ. I probably have like about 1,800 followers there. And then I also have an Instagram just for my YouTube following, K-CNG. And I have an Instagram for my clothing line, which is Savage Hearted. So I'll have all the links in the description. Go ahead and give me a follow. Till the next time, it's your boy K-. Holla at me.